knowing the layers to remove your limits, your limitations, is super important to manifest the reality you desire, to manifest anything you desire in your life, okay? And to shift, okay? Otherwise, we stay stuck in the same patterns, the same cycles, unless we heal it. Okay, we move through it, and I'm going to go through the steps of working through and doing the inner deep dive, okay? First one, triggers. When you get triggered, it's awareness, okay? You're aware of your triggers, okay? Pops up. I'm feeling X, Y, and Z because of this current circumstance, okay? Let's go a little deeper. Okay, what is the inner belief I'm holding that's triggering me to feel this? Okay, now let's go a little deeper. Where does this stem from? Okay, where is this coming from? You can sink into, feel the feelings, release those feelings, let them go. No, they don't hold power over you, but give yourself what you needed in that moment, okay? Whatever's triggering you is bringing up something you needed that you didn't receive, okay? So feeling into that and